Let's take a look at flower power. In this game, we use our fractions, decimals, and percentages skills to correctly order the blooms in the garden. When a stem is mature, you can harvest and then sell the stems so that you can make as much money as you possibly can. Let's get started. Now each bud carries a value. We need to order the value from the highest or the largest right up the top to the smallest down the bottom. Notice how as we correctly order them, the value of the stem increases. So at this point we've reached the maximum number of flowers on a stem, which is 7. The bee comes along and pollinates it and gives us 3 more to work on, and at the same time added 45 seconds onto our clock. So at this point, as you can see, we've got 3 stems that we're working with. We can either continue working all 3 stems at the same time, or we can snip that away, let the gardeners come and collect it, and focus on just the purple flowers. So we have 3 more stems. Because we perfected the purple flowers, it advances us to the higher level flowers, which are the roses. So again, same rule applies. We can either keep going with the 3 stems or we can focus. So let's take up this challenge and see if we can focus on 3 stems at the same time. Almost there. Notice how the red flowers have both fractions and decimals in it. And we basically keep going. So because we perfected the red flowers, we're now given the purple orchids. Same rule applies. If you feel uncomfortable, let's snip them away and just focus on the one that's important. Now this one here, because I got to it too late, we had a bloom that withered away and died. So let's snip those away, and I'm just going to focus on 3, whatever you're comfortable with. So the rule is the higher value flower, if you perfect that, then you get the next higher one again, and it continues. So basically, this is what I need to focus on. Now the reason why I snipped those red ones away is because I know that if I had perfected these red ones, it's going to give me another purple bloom. So I don't really need that. I just want to focus on getting the next higher value flower. So I'm going to keep that there with me, let the bee pollinate it, so that I can get the next higher value flower. Now I'm just seeing the tricky one. Now we've got the mushroom there. That we need to order in reverse. So I'm going to focus, snip those away, and try and focus just on 2 perhaps. Snip that away. Okay, so let's be careful. So this is the reverse. So the small goes up the top. The smaller one goes up the top. Goes there. And this one goes here. I wonder what our next challenge is. So we're still going reverse, remember? Oops, almost got me there. Smallest up the top. Looks like I made a mistake with that one. There we go. Try it yourself. This is really addictive. There we go, there it is. And we keep going until we run out of time. I really should be collecting more of the stems. Oops, got that one wrong. I think I could be losing my concentration a little bit here. There. Let's refocus. take that one with us. And just focus on 2, I think. Alright, that tells me we're running out of time, so you'd want to snip as many flowers as you can and take it with you before we finish. Okay, so let's see what else, if I can do one more. Take one more with us before the time runs out. Okay, right at the end we can see how many we've won. We've earned $194 in a total time of 11 minutes. Fantastic. Good work, guys.